My name is Rick Renner, and today I'm giving you a studio tour to show you some of the things on my shelves and on the set in our TV studio. And today I want to show you this. You say, what in the world is that? That is really a Middle Eastern shepherd's staff. David wrote in Psalm 23 verse 4 and said, "Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me." We all like the idea of comfort. But what do you think David really meant when he said, "Thy rod and thy staff"? The staff was used for directing the sheep. But if the sheep got out of line, the rod could be used to beat the sheep to get them back into line. And David said, "Your rod and your staff, they comfort me." David was comforted to know that God would direct him. If he got out of line, God would pull him back into line. David was comforted to know if he was making a decision that was wrong, or if he got into arrogance or did something sinful, God would use the same staff to beat him and to get him back into place. David was not afraid of that rod. He said, "Thy rod and thy staff." I find both sides of it so comforting. God directs me and he corrects me. And that's what I think of when I see this staff. And of course, that's what the Word of God does. It directs us and it corrects us. And that's why this Middle Eastern shepherd staff is on my set.
Wow, wasn't that a great video? My friends, would you please subscribe, like, and comment under this video? Please do that. It will help us reach more people with the gospel of Jesus Christ.